Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer bringing you another Luxe video. I am at our Luxe Luxury Fifth Wheel Showroom in Mansfield, Texas. The address here is 7960 Rodeo Trail, Unit 430. When you schedule an appointment to come to the showroom, you will be given a door key. This door key code will be specific to you for a limited period of time. So I'm going to give you a little instruction on how to use this unmanned facility. So what will happen is you'll have your door code. You'll approach the door and you'll see the door keypad. So what you'll do is you'll put in your code and press the pound key. The door is now open. You proceed into the office area. This is where you'll find a display of our floor plans, some brochures, some hard surface countertop selections, some different cabinet colors for you. You will be greeted by a virtual assistant robot, and this will be your factory direct representative, and he will bring you and welcome you into our showroom area. This virtual assistant will then assist you into the showroom. So you open up this door and look at a beautiful, nice, well-lit showroom. We have two units in here right now. We have a Luxe Elite and a Luxe Gold for your viewing pleasure. We also have, for your convenience, a nice bathroom. You can also see some of the different interior selections, the valances, that give you an idea of what the cabinetry looks like, the look and feel of the beautiful hardwood cabinetry, and a very nice, well-lit showroom for you to view, touch, and feel the actual units. And we also encourage you to take a tour of our factory up in Elkhart, Indiana. So hey, give us a call, make an appointment, just come see the showroom and touch and feel the real luxury of a Luxe fifth wheel brand. Give us a call at 844-284-6678 or get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com. And hey, check us out and ask some questions about our Mansfield, Texas luxury fifth wheel showroom. Have a great day.